Hey guys, what's up? And today on Straight Up Fishing, I'll be showing you how to tie a fishing knot. A proper one that doesn't fall off. And on quick apology note and quick news. I'm sorry guys, I know I haven't uploaded in like 5 months almost. I think 6 months actually. I'll have to check it. I don't know. But, apology for pink scissors. These are just my mom's scissors out of her bedroom. I don't know. And I am also really busy with school, and that's why I haven't uploaded. And I thought, since I've got a few days to myself, wow, my hair is really messy. It's really windy out here, guys. I'm sorry if it's like if it's affecting the audio, but let's get to it. And if you know what I'm saying, viruses are crazy at the moment, if you know what I'm saying. Anyway, so I've got a little cut here. A little bit of line that I'm going to feed through the eyelet of this. I had a little practice before this video. Actually, no, that was from when I came to it. Anyway, this is, you obviously want to put it straight through the eyelet, then you have this little much left over. Next thing you want to do, around the back. Again, so you've got a little hole there. And do that 3 more times. There you go, actually 2 more times, sorry. Then you want to feed it through that little hole that you've made, down the bottom there. Then you're going to feed it through another hole that you've made from doing that. And then you've got your knot. You want to pull that together just like that. And pull it down. And then you've got your knot there. And then these aren't the sharpest scissors, guys. I spent like 5 minutes trying to chop this off before, but there we go, got it. That just fell on my laptop. And that is your knot right there. You've got it. Give you a quick demonstration of how strong that is. That is not coming off. My drag's really loose on this bait caster, but that is not coming off. Okay guys, real quick, I'm going to have to move up a bit. There. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys a little cast with it, just to show you how strong this thing is. There you go, just out there. You can see the little chatterbait on it. I should be able to see the chatterbait there. Can you see it? Should be able to see it. I'll put a little circle around. Yeah, it's just there. It's just there, guys. Just there. Can you see it? Good. The little black thing that's moving across the grass. And again, I'll give you guys another cast. I mean, they're not the greatest casts. And again, and that is really strong. Now guys, thank you guys for watching. If you did watch the whole video, make sure to go down there if you enjoyed it and click that thumbs up button, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. See you later guys. Bye bye.